How to switch account in Amazon shopping. In this video I'm going to show you how you can switch the accounts. First of all, open the application. Now here on the bottom you can see this tree line icon. Tap on this tree line icon. Now here on the right top, tap on account. So we're in this account settings. Now slowly scroll down. Here you'll be able to find an option called switch accounts. Tap on switch accounts. Now we can simply add an account. So tap on add account. Here enter a valid registered Amazon account. So simply enter the email and you'll be able to switch the account easily. So it's quite easy, and later he can switch back to another accounts too. Thank you for watching this video. I hope this video will help you.